Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. AFAQ New Iqbal Series Student Resource Pack. Keep learning at home. Mathematics Grade KG. Academic Planner Unit-02. Major Concept. Numbers up to 20. Resource Pack Concept. Count and write the correct number of objects. First picture. Good. It is 17. Now the next picture. Good. It is 19. Now we move to the next resource pack concept. Write the missing numbers from 1 to 20. Let's start. 1 is already written. Now write the number comes after 1. Good. It is 2. Now write the number comes after 2. Good. It is 3. Now write the number comes after 3. Good. It is 4. 5 is already written. So write the number comes after 5. Good. It is 6. Number 7 is already written. Write the number comes after 7. Good. It is 8. 9 is already written. Now write the number comes after 9. Good. It is 10. 11 is already written. So write the number comes after 11. Good. It is 12. Now write the number comes after 12. Good. It is 13. 14 is already written. So write the number comes after 14. Good. It is 15. 16 is already written. So write the number comes after 16. Good. It is 17. 18 is already written. So write the number comes after 18. Good. It is 19. Write the number comes after 19. Good. It is 20. Now we move to the next major concept, number names. Resource pack concept, count the objects and write the number names. Let's start. Count the number of honeybees and write the count name. Good. It is 8 honeybees. So write name of 8. Good. It is EIGHT8. Now count the honeybees and write the number name. Good. It is 6 honeybees. Now write the name of 6. SIX6. Now count the honeybees and write its name. Good. It is 10 honeybees. Now write the name of 10. TEN 10. Now we move to the next resource pack concept. Draw lines to match the numbers with their correct number names. Let's start. 1. Good. Number 1 is matched with ONE1. 2. Good. Number 2 is matched with TWO2. 3. Good. Number 3 is matched with THREE. 4. Good. Number 4 is matched with FOUR 4. 5. Good. Number 5 is matched with FIVE 5. 6. Good. 6 is matched with the SIX 6. 7. Good. 7 is matched with SEVEN 7. 8. Good. 8 is matched with EIGHT 8. 9. Good. 9 is matched with NINE 9. 10. Good. 10 is matched with TEN 10. Now we move to the next major concept, forward and backward counting. Resource pack concept, count forward and write the missing numbers. Let's start with 3. Good. It is 4. Next. Good. It is 5. Next. Good. It is 6. 7 is already written. Next. Good. It is 8. Now start with 2. Good. It is 3. Next. Good. It is 4. 5 is already written. Next. Good. It is 6. Next. Good. It is 7. Now start from 5. Good. It is 6. Next. Good. It is 7. 8 is already written. Next. Good. It is 9. Next. Good. It is 10. Now start from 1. Good. It is 2. 3 is already written. Next. Good. It is 4. Next. Good. It is 5. Next. Good. It is 6. Now we move to the next resource pack concept, count backward and write the missing numbers. Let's start from 10. Good. It is 9. Next. Good. It is 8. Next. Good. It is 7. 6 is already written. Next. Good. It is 5. Now start from 8. Good. It is 7. Next. Good. It is 6. 5 is already written. Next. Good. It is 4. Next. Good. It is 3. Now start from 6. Good. It is 5. Next. Good. It is 4. Next. Good. It is 3. 2 is already written. Next. Good. It is 1. Now start from number 9. Good. It is 8. Next. Good. It is 7. 6 is already written. Next. Good. It is 5. Next. Good. It is 4. Now we move to the next resource pack concept, count backward and complete the sequence from 10 to 1. Let's start from 10. Good, it is 9. Next. Good, it is 8. Next. Good, it is 7. Next. Good, it is 6. Next. Good, it is 5. Next. Good, it is 4. Next. Good, it is 3. Next. Good, it is 2. Next. Good, it is 1. You have done a great job.